Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 4th of April 2018. Okay guys, it was a very satisfied day with trading and I am going to start the discussion from Great Britain Pound USD. So this is the signal report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 140667, and you can see right from here it has completed the U-turn, and after that it had started the bullish pattern and it breaks the entry from here. So guys, this is what I called a U-turn. First of all, we have a drop on this pair and then finally it has taken a U-turn and then it breaks the entry and finally it's moved up in the upward direction. Now let's talk about Australian dollar USD. It's another satisfied signal of the day. A bullish signal was supplied in case of Australian dollar USD. The entry was 076901, and you can see right from the entry Australian dollar USD has moved up, and also if you look at here, then it was also a U-turn from here, and then the scalper has also pointed you to buy this pair in the form of a white arrow, and it has moved up into the final direction. So two satisfied signals, and now let's talk about the USDCHF, which is a very good satisfied signal with a bullish expectation from 095856, and you can see that right after the completing the U-turn it has finally moved up, and still it's towards the targeted price that I have mentioned in my signals report, 096021. So overall the signal has expired from my end, because you know that it's already way up from the entry. So if you have taken the profit, then I suggest the traders to simply close their trades. Okay, another satisfied signal of the day is USD Canadian dollar. I'm just going to highlight this signal here. A bullish expectation for the day from 128001, and you can see that right from the entry it has taken a smaller U-turn and then finally it has moved up. Now we have a drop on USD Canadian dollar, but overall our signal was expired because it went just near to the targeted price 128515. At last, I'm going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. I was expecting a downward trend today. 149924 was the entry, and you can see that right from the entry we have seen a downward trend on this pair. You know that when I give the signals, it's just like 1 hour and 30 minutes before the London session, so we have a drop after that time when I have sent the signals report, and finally it even went beyond the barriers of targeted price 149467. So hopefully guys, this was a very successful day with trading, and hopefully most of the subscribers must have caught the profits using the signals. Moreover, those subscribers who are new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary or blue boundary. This is the overbought levels, and if you receive the sell signals from the top red levels, then the market goes down. And now look at here that pound JPY has made a recovery because it went down and it went into the oversold levels as per the trading system, and then it has received a boost from this level. So this is how we use the trading system. This trading system is very powerful. It provides you with overbought and oversold levels. Like here, look at here, the scalper has pointed you with a buy signal in the form of white arrow, and this scalper does not repaint, and it has pointed you at the buy signal at the oversold level, and the pair has moved up. And look at here, at the overbought levels the scalper has pointed you sell the pair, and then the pair was down, and here it has pointed you buy the pair and the market was up. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that I have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on this email, info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.